Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Ana Nur Hasanah, and I am one of students of English Education Department at Syarif Hidayatullah State Islamic University. In this opportunity, I would like to retell about my novel review under the title Lipstick Jungle. Okay, and I made this video for completing my is my extensive reading assignments. So the title of the books is Lipstick Jungle, that has written by Candice Bushnell and was published by Abacus. And the genre of the novel is fiction, and the book have 432 pages. This is the picture of the book. Before I start to retell you about the novel review, first I would like to inform you about the writer. The writer name is Candice Bushnell, and if you are interested with literature, Candice Bushnell is one of the familiar and famous writer, because most of her book are bestseller. One of them, like Sex and the City, become the popular film, and this book, under the title Lipstick Jungle, also become the popular TV series at New York. And beside her job as a writer, Candice Bushnell also became a columnist for New York Observer and an editor of Vogue magazine. Okay. This novel tells a story about three best friends. They are Wendy Haley, Nico O'Neilly, and Victoria Ford. Wendy Haley has married with a man, also Nico O'Neilly. Just Victoria Ford that hadn't married yet, have married yet. So let's start. The first is Victoria Ford. Actually, she is a famous designer at the town. She began his career at the 15-year-old of her age, because at the time when she walked alone by herself, he met with a famous designer, a senior designer, who invites her and we collaborate to make a great dress, because at the time Victoria wear great and glamour dress. That's why made the designer attract the designer, and made her invite Victoria to come to her factory. But in the middle of her career, Victoria Ford was tricked by one of her partner, whose name is Howard. Actually, Howard is her best partner, but in the middle of their career, Howard copying the Victoria's design, then sold it at the cheap department store. He also changed the label from Victoria Ford to Victoria Ford. That's why Victoria really mad at him, and then Howard was jailed because his work. The second is Nico O'Neilly. She is a chief editor of Bonfire magazine, and had married with Seymour. Actually, Seymour is a great husband, but because Seymour is busy with himself, that's why makes Nico do an affair with Kirby. Kirby is an underwear model who can give Nico extramarital sex that Nico cannot get it from her husband. And actually, both Nico and Summer are love each other, but because Summer is busy with himself, that's why Nico made an affair with Kirby. And the last but not least, Wendy Haley. Wendy Haley is chief of Parador Picture, and one of her film also become the popular film and one of the candidate of Oscar. Wendy also had married with Shane, but because Wendy is a really wealthy woman, and and her husband Shane is just the employer. That's why both of them quarreled each other because the material. Wendy and Shane have uh, three gorgeous children. They are Magda, Chloe, and Tyler. At the end of the story, uh, Shane, her husband, give Wendy a divorce proposal because Shane really feeling shy of himself because he cannot give more material for her wife and his children. And in the end of the story, these three best friends are helping each other to solve their problems. Wendy and Nico help Victory, and same as Victory, and Wendy help to solve solve Nico's problems. And that's all for me. Thank you for watching. And the last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.